My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and voice control as features. On our screen we can access our settings, information, connections, audio and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.